What's up, guys? Welcome back to Money Talk Mondays, where your host, Ali Gale, I'm going to be talking all things money. But this Monday, I'm just talking about the registration that is open for my day trading training class. That registration is open now, and I'm going to give you guys the information on that, on how to register and how you could start growing your account and, just making some money, profiting off this market like everybody else is profiting. I'm sure a lot of you guys just been on the sideline just watching and just like, man, I want to get in on that. Well, I'm going to finally, teach you guys how you can profit and, make some extra income, or make this your initial income, either or. Guys, if you have not liked this channel, do hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe. And, just give this video a like. Give this video a like, share some love. Check out my e-commerce website. Check out my credit website. And, let's jump right into it. All right, guys. So to register for this class, which is going to start on March 1st, and it's going to be a 3-month crash course training. So, we're going to jump right into making the money, within a couple classes. I'm going to go over in details with you guys. So there's 2 steps to register. The first step is to go to my Rocket Credit, www.rocketcredit.live website. Scroll down to the bottom. There's a box that says stay current with current credit info, and in that box just type your email and then hit the subscribe button. That way I'll have a complete list of all my students, a complete email list of all my students, and I could keep track. Number 2, you're gonna write me a personal email at agalewfg@gmail.com. In that email, you're gonna include your name, your first name, your last name, your phone number, and just give me a brief sentence or 2 of, why you want to be a part of this training. In the subject box, please guys just write day trading student in that box. That way I don't overlook your email or anything, because I go through a lot of emails daily and I don't want to miss any of you guys' emails. So just be sure to do that. So yeah, guys, that's the 2 things that you have to do. I am going to reach out to you guys personally, each and every one of you, to just, go over the additional details of this training and, just familiarize myself with you guys, and you guys familiarize yourselves with me as well. So guys, I know that, some of you might be wondering like, okay, well, how much is this going to be? Well, I actually, I know what everyone else on the market is charging for, these particular type of training, and I've come up with something that's really, really inexpensive for, just about anyone. The class is going to be $3.99, but what I'm going to teach you, you can make the $3.99 back, on day 1 of trading. At $3.99, I figure that's a good entry for pretty much anyone. And what I've learned over the years is that if you give someone something for free, they don't really appreciate it or put the same effort in as if you actually let someone pay for something, or give something to get something. People tend to appreciate it more, and they tend to pay more attention. As I said, this is a 3-month crash course, so there's going to be a lot of information, a lot of charts, a lot of strategies that I'm going to be teaching you guys on a day-to-day basis. So, I do want students who are ready, willing, and, just want to jump right into the action and really profit off of this, knowledge that I'm going to give. Just to give you a little FYI, I paid well over 10 grand for, the knowledge that I have currently. And I've made way more than that over the years since I paid, that 10 grand years ago. So at $3.99, guys, it's a steal, it's a bargain, and I hope to see many, many of you in this class. And I got one more thing for you guys. I'm going to make this a challenge. I'm going to make this even more beneficial for my best student. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give $1,000 bonus. $1,000 bonus to my highest account percentage winning student. So what does that mean? So if you got student A that start trading with $200 in their account, and at the end of 3 months they have $600, that's a 200% gain on their money. They made a $400 profit. Now if you have student B who start trading their account with, let's just say $5,000, and at the end of that 3-month crash course they have $9,000 in their account. Well, that's only an 80% account growth because they made a $4,000 profit. Now, who gets $1,000? It would be student A, because student A gained the highest percentage on their account. And yeah, I'll go over that in more details with you guys, when I do reach out to you, when you guys subscribe. So remember, guys, this is going to start March 1st. So, subscribe now, get involved, join this class and join this hot market. The market is on fire. There is never a better time to join the market than right now. We're literally going through another dot-com boom. What is a dot-com boom? That's when the internet was taking off in 98, 99, 2000. The internet was just going wild. We had, AOL. Everything was just crazy in the market. Well, we're experiencing that again, guys, and you want to be a part of this one, So, guys, until next time, thank you. Look forward to speaking to you, plenty of you guys. Peace.